So for these fish tacos, you need tilapia and your choice of seasoning. We're using this one. We need cabbage, oil, and apple cider vinegar, or any vinegar you have, red onions, cilantro, crushed red pepper, salt, garlic powder, and pepper. You're also going to need as many tilapias as you desire to make. You're also going to need tortillas, and we're going to start. So we're going to mix the olive oil and the vinegar and all the seasonings to make the dressing for the cabbage. Next is 1 tablespoon of crushed red pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, then half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and lastly 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. And we're going to mix really well and set it aside, and we're going to mix the vegetables together to then add it to it. You can add the cabbage that you want, it does not have to be purple. We add the other vegetables into the cabbage. And we add it. So while it marinates, we can leave it on the refrigerator until the tilapia is ready. Now we're going to season the tilapia. Use a little bit of it because it's really salty. Now we're going to fry it. Now we're going to add the tilapia to cook. And we're going to keep them here until they're cooked. And this is how they turn out when they're cooked. You can fry them longer or less, it's your preference. And then this is how they look now, and we're gonna add the coleslaw. And once it's arranged, it turns out like this. I hope you guys like it.